everyone, it's Heather, Megan, and Ben, and we're here today to open our November Universal Yums box. First of all, I have to tell you that this box is really early this month. They mailed it very early. They billed us.
It's only the 1st.
Oh yeah, today's only November 1st.
Oh, wow.
We're filming this on November 1st. They normally bill us on, or charge our card on the 1st of the month, and then they mail the box so that we get the box on the 15th of the month. They said they were doing this because of the holidays, but I don't understand why they needed to do anything early because of the holidays. The 15th is still a good long ways before Thanksgiving. So I don't understand. It's not like it's going to interfere. It just is really early. It's like 2 weeks earlier than it normally would get here. It got here 2 days ago?
Yeah.
Yeah, it got here 2 days ago. They charged us on October 25th, and we got the box on October 30th, I think. Yeah. So, anyway. Okay, and once again, there's no sticker. So we have no idea. Inside. Yeah, it's probably inside. We have no idea what this box is going to be at all. It's a complete mystery.
If you can get it open.
If I can get it open.
Ooh. Italy. Ooh.
It's Italy. And the sticker is the Mona Lisa eating with chocolate all over her face. See, and what am I going to do with this?
Yeah.
I don't know why they're doing this.
Stick it on there. Pretend we...
It says, greetings from Italy, birthplace of the world's most valuable painting. Oh, birthplace. I was going to say, the Mona Lisa's in the Louvre in Paris. So okay, what was this?
It was just a little...
Oh, if you want to give Yums as a gift. Okay, and here's the map. Italy, the only one of us in our family who's been to Italy is Andrew. Andrew actually spent a month in Italy last January. Yes. He did a study abroad. He actually spent almost half of it on Sicily. And then the rest was traveled a little bit, and then he was in Rome for like 2 weeks.
Lucky.
Do you want to go to Italy?
Yes. 5,000,000%.
So you both want to go to Italy very badly?
Yes.
There's a couple of very specific things in Italy that I would really like to see. I'd like to go to Venice. I'd like to go to Cinque Terre. I'd like to go to the Dolomites. I am studying Italian, so I really should probably make use of that at some point. Okay, voted on upcoming box.
New Zealand, Indonesia, or Australia.
Oh, those are right next to each other. Those are all very close together.
I finally got to read something.
I say New Zealand too. What do you think?
New Zealand or Australia? Probably New Zealand, yeah.
Okay, here's the book. Off we go to Italy.
Whoa!
That is a big one.
Big.
Oh, it's always going to be the trivia train now, apparently.
Yay, trivia train.
I thought it just went with the Russia thing last month. Okay, these are tomato and oregano bruschetta, Italian black truffle potato chips.
Black truffle, like mushrooms?
Yeah.
How do they put those in chips?
Cranberry frulletti. I have no idea what that is.
It's a cranberry cookie.
Ooh, this one sounds kind of good. Italian Amaratini. They're almond cookies. Novi hazelnut milk chocolate bar. Raspberry and almond dark chocolate bar.
Oh, no.
Orange zest carrot cake.
You guys can have these ones.
Yo.
Okay. Oh!
Ketchup.
Yeah, put it up there.
Ketchups.
Ketchup potato chips.
Why are you so excited?
Because it just sounds cool.
It's ketchups.
Ketchups. Oh, it is! Ketchups! It's lemon and pepper terrillini. I don't know what any of this stuff is.
I don't know, but I love it.
And then there's a yum bag, and the yum bag has fizzy lemon candy, and it's described as like Sprite in a hard candy. Whoa. And it has tiramisu cream milk chocolate balls. Ooh. Okay, so we're going to start with the savory.
Okay. Ketchups.
So the ketchups.
That goes perfectly together, like spot on.
I can smell the ketchup.
I can. I have no sentence anymore.
Yeah, it's ketchup. Come on, the bag is like indented.
That's weird.
can't grab this.
It's just
chip.
really small. There you go.
I can't grab it. Good job.
Smells very strongly of ketchup.
Oh, I'm gonna roll
It,
this.
it smells like fries with ketchup on them.
Uh-huh.
Looks like a Lay's.
Whoa, that's a big one.
Nope.
Tastes exactly like what it is.
It kind of stunned my tongue when I first had it on my mouth. Here's the start of her discard pile.
Ketchup flavored chip.
My discard pile got eaten.
I like them.
I like them, but when it first touches your tongue,
Stings a little.
it stings a lot. But
Probably
that's
from the
good.
citric acid.
It really just kind of tastes like fries dipped in ketchup, except in chip form.
Really dipped in ketchup.
Yeah, it's like a lot of ketchup.
Sorry,
Okay, these are the Bruschetta.
Pizza.
It's a very big bag.
Here's your pizza.
Oh my gosh, it is! It's like a little pizza!
Who invented this?
It smells like a pizza. Look at it!
It smells just like
It
pizza.
smells good.
It's a little pizza! It's so cute!
Why does it look like it has a whole bunch of
Hard like a bruschetta.
Here.
Nice texture though. Ooh. It's like tomato sauce flavor, like a pizza, like a margarita pizza.
Tastes like Subway pizza.
All I taste is a little bit of sauce. I don't taste any like there's these things
No.
on it and I don't taste it.
Oregano?
I don't know what that tastes like.
Fine, I mean
Yeah, I like it. It's a nice little snack actually.
hey, if you can't get pizza, here you go. So expensive. There you go. You don't want to wait in line. There you go.
Very crunchy. But it's a nice, once you're chewing it, it's nice soft texture. That's good.
Big.
Mm-hmm. They're a nice size. I like those a lot. So these are Alfredo's truffle potato chips. Nice easy tear bag there. Thanks.
Big.
Ooh,
Wow.
yes. Very similar in thickness and texture of the ketchups.
Oh, whoa, I smell it.
Ooh, it's a strong
Wait, what is it again?
truffle, which is like mushroom.
Oh. Whoa, that's strong.
I like it.
It's an unusual flavor for a chip, but I like it too. These are good too.
I like it.
I think I like the ketchups better,
Yeah.
but I like both of
I
them.
got the-
We haven't had a lot of cookies lately. There haven't really been any. Well, yeah, last one, there were those flower shaped.
Oh, yeah.
What flavor were they?
Orange.
Orange?
Yeah. Orange or vanilla.
Okay, so these are cranberry?
Here's your cookie.
Oh,
It looks
It's like a-
shortbread.
they do. They look like a little shortbread. They're kind of puffy. I can smell and taste the cranberry as soon as I put it near me.
There's no like raspberry filling or
No, there's nothing inside. It's just the same. It just must be a flavoring.
No, there are cranberries in it.
Are there?
I saw them in yours.
Oh.
Look.
I really like those.
Oh, yeah. Yeah, I like those too. Again, kind of a crummy box so far, but we have a really snazzy new vacuum cleaner now.
Yes, it's very nice. It's
Yeah.
very light. It's very.
It comes
Loud.
apart so I can like carry it up the stairs and do the stairs, and it's strong.
It's small and compact.
Yeah, it's very small and compact, and it turns so I can get into little spaces.
Ooh.
Time for more cookies.
Almond.
I love this month.
Wait, what's it say? Crisp almond cookies.
They're itty bitty.
Bitty.
They're little itty
They-
bitty, just
I like
circles.
smell almonds. Like. Oh, those are crunchy.
They're much crunchier than the cranberry ones.
I don't really taste anything.
I don't either.
I mean, there's
Really?
a little bit of it, but
It's extremely.
Oh! It hit me now.
What is that?
Almond extract. You use it in cherry pie.
Yeah, I'm like,
And that's what it tastes like.
fruit.
Mhm. It does. It makes you think it's cherry because you use almond extract in cherry pie. It didn't hit you right away though, and maybe there's not the same amount in each
It
one.
hit me immediately.
I like these better.
Yeah.
The
definitely.
cranberry ones.
I like those a lot better.
Yeah. Okay, so for a couple of the treats this month, we got 2. Megan doesn't want to try this one, so Ben and I are each going to have one.
So soft.
It's orange carrot cake, and they're very soft. You can feel through the packaging that it's soft.
Orange carrot cake.
I can see that. You actually do put orange in your carrot cake sometimes.
It's like a little Debbie.
It is. Oh, it's got cream.
Ooh. Ooh. This is fancy.
It's so fancy.
Very soft.
Ooh, cute.
I like Italy.
Me too.
Strong orange flavor. Don't taste much carrot.
I like the consistency.
Mm-hmm.
It's so nice.
Maybe I do want to try it.
I taste the carrot and I taste the orange.
Here.
They're about equal. Oh, that is so fast trying to bite. Oh my gosh.
Megan changed her mind. It is a messy one. You love it?
Mhm.
Yeah, it's good.
It's yummy and very light and fluffy.
Mm-hmm.
It tastes like you're eating a cloud.
It does. It's like the consistency of a cloud.
It's very orangey.
Yeah, it is. It's very
I
orangey.
love the consistency.
Yeah, the consistency is wonderful.
Can I eat the rest?
Yeah, absolutely. Are these more cookies? I don't know what these are. Terrellini. Lemon and pepper? Limone pepe. That's lemon and pepper. Yeah, it's another cookie. But they look like a little bagel.
Cookie.
They look like a tiny little
Cookie bagel.
bagel.
I love it.
I can smell the pepper.
Wait, so what are they?
Mmm.
I don't love it.
It's savory. It's not sweet. We should have ate it with the savory stuff.
It's spicy.
Mm-hmm. It's spicy.
Spicy.
We mistook this for a cookie, and it's not. It's like bread.
Okay, then that
Yeah.
will ruin my satisfaction of the fluffiness.
I do not taste the lemon. Do you?
I taste it. Well, I don't taste it so much as I feel it.
The pepper is very strong.
The pepper is spicy, and the lemon, there's a very distinct sour, tasty feel in my.
I'll tell you when I would enjoy these. Like eating these with a bowl of soup. Like I feel like it would go nicely. But yeah, it threw us off because we just had that really nice soft orange cake, and this wasn't sweet at all, and that messed us up. But I like them okay.
I like them. They're just surprising.
Yeah, it just threw us off. Now we only have candy. Again, we got 2. Oh, it's a candy bar.
Oh.
Thick boy.
We can break them.
It's smooth on one side, and it is in squares. There's 3 squares. But then big nuts on the back sticking out.
Good.
Must be whole hazelnuts, huh?
Mm-hmm.
I like it. It's smooth. Nice nutty crunch. So this will be a Megan trying this only. Because neither Ben or I likes raspberry or dark chocolate.
You don't like raspberry?
Not really.
No, I don't like berries.
I was talking to Mom.
No,
thought
I
she
really
liked
don't care for raspberry. I mean, like, if I'm out in the woods and I see raspberries growing on a bush, I'll eat those.
Yeah.
Well, yeah, you're right. I like actual fresh raspberries.
Yeah, I was gonna say.
I like fresh raspberries, like in the
I like
summertime.
picking them maybe.
But I don't like raspberry flavored
No.
things. Yeah.
It says extra bitter chocolate with raspberry almonds.
Extra bitter.
Open.
I'm gonna eat this other cranberry cookie.
I hate
She's
these
having a very
wrappers.
difficult time getting it open.
I hate
So it's gonna be in a lot of squares because that's big.
tiny.
Look, show how big it is.
Holy.
Yeah.
Whoa.
What? Oh!
Sour. Sorry, I'm going around.
You okay? What's happening to your face?
What the heck?
So it was really...
The raspberry is just really tart and poppy.
You can see it in there.
Yeah, you can see like chunks of
Yeah.
raspberry in there. Is there nuts in there too?
Almonds. I
Oh.
can hardly taste the chocolate. It's
Megan likes almonds. She eats almonds, just almonds. You can hardly taste the chocolate?
I feel I can, but the raspberry is too powerful.
Oh.
You would not like this.
Okay, good thing I didn't try it then. I don't like dark chocolate, and I don't like fruit chocolate combo.
No.
Okay, well, you are definitely going to want to try one of these tiramisu. Wait, there's 2 different colors. This says tiramisu. Did I miss one in the book?
Yes, you did, Mom.
Tiramisu. Oh, I did.
I don't actually like the dark.
Ah, no.
No!
Milk chocolate with strawberry pop rocks.
No.
Complete with luxurious Italian cream.
Yeah, I usually don't like
No.
Flavors Box. Oh, you just...
That's like the shot.
It's called Choco Boom. I'm just going to let you try it because I don't really care for coffee flavor. I don't drink coffee. Show what it looks like. It's a ball.
It's just a ball.
The chocolate sphere.
It looks like it had 2 halves and they sealed them together.
See if you can show the inside. Oh, it's just a dark chocolate cream. That must
Very
be
strong with espresso.
espresso flavored.
Yep, no, I don't like coffee.
Can I smell? Oh, yeah. I can really smell it. Do you like it?
I don't actually like it that much. It doesn't taste like real tiramisu. It just tastes like espresso.
Do you want to try one of the
Lemon?
lemon fizzies?
No.
Okay, I'll try
Not
it.
right now, but I will
Okay,
want one.
later. Okay.
Oh.
Oh, looks like a little solid, like you would suck on.
I decided I don't like the raspberry chocolate either, which is sad because it's big.
It smells like Sprite. They said it was going to be like Sprite. It's a nice, refreshing, lemony, light. It's good. Overall, we really liked this box. Really enjoyed it. Couple of things we weren't quite too sure of, but overall, really, really good. Really enjoyed the Italy box.
I didn't try like the last 3 things.
Yeah, but makes me kind of encouraged about that there would be good
Yeah, we all...
snacks and stuff in Italy.
Did I try everything?
Yeah, you tried
Yes,
I
except
tried
for the last little lemon one. Yeah,
Oh,
Megan
yeah.
tried
and the
everything.
Pop Rocks.
And I didn't try the tiramisu chocolate ball or the chocolate raspberry. She just tried those 2. But I can't say there was anything I really disliked.
Yeah. Well, I just liked the ketchup chips.
Okay, do you have a favorite?
Yeah, oh yeah. Those are definitely my favorite.
You liked the truffle flavored chips. What do you think, Ben?
Ketchup. Then the carrot cake.
Orange carrot cake? Yeah. I also really liked the ketchup chips. And what'd you like? Oh, yeah. The bruschetta were really good too. Yeah, I liked these. I liked the ketchup chips. I liked the cranberry cookies. And I liked
everything.
Yeah, and I liked the orange cake. I liked all of those a lot. This was a really good box. If you got this box, let us know what your favorite was in the comments below. And if you don't get a subscription to the Yum Box, let us know, based on what you saw us try, what you think you would like the best. Be sure to subscribe if you haven't already so you don't miss any of our upcoming Universal Yum tastings. Thanks, everyone. Have a great day and safe travels.
Safe travels.